on the new hits 97.3, Miami's new hit music.
Hi, I'm Benevel in the flesh. You're a fellow flussy. Hi, I'm the spirit house snit.
I do see water.
Yeah, this is replacement time. This is replacement time. This is not a repairable thing. This is a replacement thing.
Oh.
If you purchase this, a new one, if you're liking, we'll install it for like $150 or something like this. All right, let's take a look.
The water that comes into the tank, are you here?
I'm right here.
The water that comes to the tank is very slow.
Let me see.
So when they reflush it once, that sounds like, oh, okay, doesn't it?
You need a new fill valve.
You have to know,
Yeah, it's like a $145 repair.
okay, if it needs it, what do you mean that, a long time, it's filling up very slowly? But yesterday, for some reason, she flushed it, and then she flushed it a second time, and the other stuff didn't go down.
All right, well, this is filling up. I'll look at your sink.
Dripping that way, should that be doing that? Oh, okay, with that, okay. Good, okay.
All right, you good?
Nasty, cause he gon' bring it. Show
Monday.
on 99 Jams.
Hi, I'm Benevel in the flesh. You're a little fussy. You're a little fussy. I'm already giving you a discount. All that water. All right. This is the Moen 1255. Beautiful. You're all fixed.
On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something.
I see it now. So just right a little bit away from that and it won't stick.
Clean dirt up my fingernails.
Motherfucker. Liquid nailed in. Looks better than it did before.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, feel it. You got the hot side on.
Yeah, it takes a minute. Yeah, awesome sauce.
See, the more you go, the hotter it'll get.
Yep.
And then you get the cold.
Cool beans.
Are we cool?
Yes, sir.
All right. Pretty bad, huh? All right.
Yeah, never saw it.
The other Missouri off.
Please.
This is an emergency. All right, we got it.
Thank God you guys came out today. Thank you so much.
Hold on. Yep, killed yourself. We got it. We got it.
Oh, you have to take pictures of everything.
Say you love on a regular, where you could be